Ebusia anapay mo bibia akaba biom e de by DHG TV. Oni say betina se na nsem a etwegu aboman ni mu ene sekendi takrade ene yeka ne nyina aboma ye de ebesom ewodwum Nsemsem Dwumadze program ni so DHG TV. Dwumadze wa we ni to say from Monday to Friday ene ye de ebrel. Na free so ye sansim konwa e wo fie ha se ni eni mpinifo epinsim bia e koso a ye nyanyen enyante ye ho ase yi na teso me cheche ni mu e de akire ye COVID-19 adaroma entini bebia atedi but e bompa ye se new month ye simi ewade be pagya ne nsa e wo Ghana so na owiase afane nyina na coronavirus oyi ne free ya kom ne nyina yitumi yade ye ho why entini wo bia wo nkran ne kumase a o mampini aka kire wo se lockdown we ba ya affect on omode na hyedem enkonko gina bonti enya soodin na empenifo anasa sojafo yi ensa so mu a na wa be gina bonti ama false report bia enti hyedem wo hyedem a for 2 weeks enya wo de ye say na fasting aji bibe fi nyankopon ho na hyedem sa pa mame wo na mabonti a hand sanitizer enya use why use ne beboa ye nyina enti anope no Dwumadze ye ba bedie e wo fi ase no ene se ye hwe GPRTU enema a omudi eku akwemu e de ama driver fo a mo sekendi takrade hase hana me no mienu nyina ye wo trotro for taxi drivers for de omudi eku akwemu e de ama wo mo e na afi ye yanso na ye fo car no so dia omudi egu akwemu omudi emaye mama kan cho se COVID-19 this year and case na rise to 195 until no ye kosura ne sa entimpacho bomodia na hwe hu ye na NCC e no ma kire se COVID-19 ne ba na kire se omuka mo tupe a omudi education no enti no mi ama mi so makebi se NCC any other information centers no broadcasting e wo form education e wo form bebre na nyante se ne COVID-19 ne dangerous na so no mama ya tiase se enye wo mo ka wo na tupe enti no de omu ye na no betumi aye den aye na so e betutu ase o mampani se won hwe no fa bi nka ho na ontu yentumi ko nkrase ne ade ade yentumi mo chechire ye so ye won nkrase no se na be ne betumi ada ye ho so na je se bibia etumi aye fine enti anopai die na mini opini Benjamin Kwesi ansa se mbonde so hunu ha GPRTU omo chairman pa driver for Nsemsem nyina no ono na esowa no anaso odimu akotene ha onna mini sinkonia ewo fiase ne no eba betwetwe nkomo afa COVID-19 ho ene dia Western Region preparation a womo aye ehum na uko my joy online no ho omo si Akufo-Addo family and staff tested negative COVID-19 enti na mo amo ka no huhu se no mo mfini grades no meeting ahodo akokọ ne ade enti zo e sure pass ade woni bia ene oma ka chere say he is negative, the family is negative, and then the staff so omo ye negative enti yenyi sa de ni fimfie oko no way yo wanko no way yo oko meeting so wanko meeting so he is negative enti yenja sansem na ye keka eno ho ena asojafo a ye keka se omobo ye ni ade ko social media a videos tigu a na ebimi abo omo ni ade no ade bia me hwe ye krampo de na nipa no woka zongo se oka zongo kasa yi bi se ya buna kasa woka zongo kasa yi bi brigadier nsia ye bo a ena wo kire se hey enya de asojafo na ye obi bia ahwe enti munya se mudi nsema enye no kre to ye so no since a lockdown we buy ye for abanka obi anti me say videos na call social media no well I can't say it's fake but this is what brigadier and work actually say omumfa aba enfanka obi bia and a Ghana Health Service no almost started a massive testing no almost started Ashanti region and no senior a weekend information ministry be to just say almost started massive testing no yes almost started Ashanti region ukoko be savannah region so a ho so almost started disinfection exercise no ha and also one more start wo ho ntie nyina yenka ye humbom na yina yembo ye ho ban se ne be ya COVID-19 ye betumi a prevent ye ho my joy now say Ghana declines request to transfer body of that coronavirus victim to private mortuary. And then I may be health say and say more mortuary no so almost den virus say muna say virus no so ana virus na so mu enti no name say be pa doctor for na o ma church Nsemsem we ni na emu yensan ready bibi ewo ahase or say officers who abuse citizens in lockdown will be dealt with. Interior Minister no work kind no senior brigadier kan Interior Minister so aka say soldier phobia wo a wonima wo do sabe kan obi no emra no eno ebe de sene say enti na busua ye de update ni be si ahu ha na chese bibi etimi akọ so na wo sanke ko Jubilee Park because eno ada na meti ye say enam COVID-19 ni social distancing ni ntino o mama market women ni bi akọ Jubilee Park sisi ya asa wo twem a omo wo ho no musisi ya enti na nka sanka kojo freestyle otumi kokodo na mi say wonyandu ho no ntino kodu ho no ma na ekoso ho no no be ma yenyina ya so atenti market women mesra mu mummomode antie de ye kire mu no na munni so na munye na yenyina ye hu ntoye because wo na weto aduane no na say memeto na me wo bi na nyama nkwe na me de mawa wo so benye bi de akoma busuafo ene omo ba beto nyama no enti esra mu kumase fo omaba wo enkranfo omaba maye nyina ye mboye hu ban na bibia entumi enkoso enfama ye nkwa na kra ye nyina ye nsem wa engroma mpanise right medi edinana ama buejiwa eye ura Benjamin Kwesi ansa oni ne be djum koma na pin e wo studio ha eja emo akwa aba
medo asima na ama
bibia bokwa no pin
na adum ho
ana COVID-19 jama wa down kakra
oh debi most more wa balance se ekede ma wo kra no another
pacho peja ndi ni mami kakra
ma wo kra we jare ho another record na wa na ha wo ho o de ye me yemudo na nhihye bia wo ze gu akona mu no ye hwe na ye zido na obia no hoton am de yerba na wa ba no o ye hu ye papa nanso ho na me hwe record a WhatsApp wo mu no beka de wo do so sen ho pa wo ewu nti na chere obi tumi tap mo ye nti ho na o ye de ma wo ze yerba na wo do gwan na ze no am de ho na no wo ha wo ho Nanama answer na moko maybe video. There's a missing link around a communicate na was the no because what could the lockdown I'm the area my brochi lockdown it's na yes no or a different thing altogether. But then the hand driver for what could the yambua nanka wana wafa a basano like taxi for taxi back seats offer 3 or load offer 3 na one front nka ye pa ko momo bia no ho nkan yanko nti botu ye pa ko afim no aka 2 ni im de dimension owo areas nanka only lockdown areas no na bakere ma ho nso a wo lockdown areas no bakere ma one cancer on the wonje adwuma ye nti ho so worry adwuma so worry adwuma then where comes the lockdown?
Okay.
Yeah, where comes the lockdown? Ma ended the ibinum wo akra na tema person do no. Bakada wo lodi a wo ko efie no. Soldier for na police for san hon there. One san hon echi. Waji passengers won ska. Obey then where you want to go queen. And say lockdown no say oye total lockdown o me hu. So ye ntumi yeso a no so.
When no some company say partial.
Partial no the Nsem partial no the Nsem because driving one on tenafie na hona no ye adwuma ebimpo yeah ebimpo as driver for ye adwuma driver bia cars or commercial vehicles wo go kwando odoso papa na obiara ye adwuma na chere lockdown bia ye bebia ehu first day no kra no ehwe circle side wa na hu the people were walking around amanfo digwa obi no wo for car na ina ze and see na lockdown you entire and see there's a missing link somewhere or there woma yehu lockdown means lockdown shefie what's in kahona what to neziban ni in den ke bia obey baby to the restaurant be another baby a choba kesi bia no so po choba kesi no nkrofoko eho mfa choba kesi was second liter kwade a nkrofo edom ko no wokezizi I can one cotton coffee pa. Still, a dumb boko. A bit shared dome, baby. Now, lockdown, so the air, I mean, I know lockdowns now. And the streets in now, now we share what to make you. And to say, what can lockdown now? Or the one, what can you, what can partial? Partial, no one, no one thing fee, no one, so no one call. Age my full, the what's one thing fee? It binum, one thing fee. Like binum, so I'm the worker. Na lockdown, or the watch at him.
Age my phone almost say, it's a media free.
Good.
Good. A bill quit you mind, maybe a weird more company bimusua YD card. Now a reporter Monday no yeah no. Reporters naturally will say YD card nature. See it's bizarre and I saw to meet your YD card nature say. You bet you make Jao Emma Wako.
And then your companies in the national war star buses. And so waffle trotro, waffle taxi. And see definitely a waffle trotro waffle taxi. And see cars in a walk in our stop will be an walk, will be an ID card and San Wamaka. And the Nsemsem now there here. So a lockdown, partially no, or the Nsemsem or Zebra. Me social media now, maybe also I'm the soldier for stopping. No will be sent or cotton was also a cotton credit card.
Yes, also a cotton credit card.
Man paying so what my credit card. Look at all this.
I say on we nyantia see no ye.
Martin.
Na so say TV so no man penny kasa ye imo waka no brofo de. Na so media houses bebre na chechire mu.
Yes. To them I can Yanka say I have provision for national disaster programs. Until NADMO Nadoho. Na NCC for so anka and so at least or the way more want to carry one car see being paid. They can use the media outfit. What we use because radio, TV, casa, a month for ten assistant there at the van, at the Kakajan community be. Every was some private camp once a year, an area often I once it. But obi shene dem na or TV or or say radio and or any Facebook na or idea TV na that oh no abroad obia okobia ne fi nti mo fa there and one there was a van where I'm on the engagement a van and say na obotu other engagement no or the work of media houses na work at the church no ono na ohia ono wotu wa hene fi bia na manfa tase because it been one tasso.
Ebi muntiasi ena afimpo no de kase quarantine wo mu no kwa na beji asem na ekukura. Because e kama se quarantine ni krampo ne nchechire na nam se entiasie ennimu ni nti no. Ye kase bi a be report ho kura na ye ma wo nchechire ye quarantine okura na. Ni pa kro no kura no mfiu se wo be ye se be quarantine se sen.
Martin.
Because lockdown kura no omunya nya ntiasie na be obeka se ye quarantine.
O Nsemsem na hen democracy so bakadema odu baby am so dem aka on boy hen no yes on boy hen because soja police akana gupado da on kohwe de obiara atnefi obi ohu de was in braba de o mama soja bia amfa ne sanka obi owo be de ma wo deal with you on so akobo folding arms naturally are we helping ourselves no obo folding arms obi so na so ejan wakere my friend abasema de ended the kumase egom wona egwafuna no worka the soldier from catch on the if you crowd the damanyame na adi na ba why the what's in film na world tonaje so at least all those say na woman be wona egwafuna was a woman be wa kono nsabo o hihye soldier na hoba yeah and say with this no how can they work are we helping ourselves another hand yeah and to the man as in now say yeah care the hand political interest in see yeah enforce law no and yeah ma and when now law enforcement agencies no when you when adwuma or the help you know the brain or them you at to be democracy no them no ot
and as see no we share mu here I can say information ministry at the other regions no so they are I don't know let me put it they are not really working.
They are not proactive.
Yes, because yeah bia ho sa. Trust me say second day taka de obetumi akobroni baby o make catch say coronavirus ni kan ni e say de onima say sanitizer o say yen wo hye yensa omunya nti asiesa so e better say all the information centers na we region mu any other regions no se mumbo modin a mu de mu okada mu hia so mampeni be san bre mu ka biem na mumbo modin a fa mu ka si ni nim na mu nkyerkyere mu I think say DC is ni ade no mu bo mu humode ko lembele a eye DC wo ho no no bonzo kwesi any MP wo ho no eye ono abo amakofi bua wono so ebo ne humode wo ba shama DC Joseph Amoa wono so ebo ne humode ne dada NPP parties no omo so ebo wo mu NDC for no so say mtia no akra no ebi mu koye donation kra ne ade enti ne ye besere se mbomodin a why na mu nkyekye ne hia o enye sanitize mu ka kwacheche ni nyina hia de na nkyekye no ene because now you call coffee calls ewo shama ho no mu ne ba bisa ye call ye no DC ni de Veronica bucket nko si ho no mo de liquid soap or de sanitizer de tissue say be no bi ati eguso ebi say tissue card e beti akọ ejanan any and they say like omunya nti so I was asking the health personnel among us and say nchechire na ya fa o se beye no wo ya ne sen because so be betumi aka say me fat tissue no akọ ma sa ti be from na me de kwa akoye me they mean that they are not getting education well. Wasi madam ya kekasa.
Danama yerba na waba no. Coronavirus na kasampo waba da wo. Waba da. 2019 na second one waba. I'm the waba twice also. Early 80s no. Na yerba no onyim penyin afra, onyim afraba. Onyim sekenyin nyim ehienyi. Nine the yerba no so wo nechiwaze. Nechiwaze na World Health Organization wada tuba the ye. China didn't pay if you want. China no why there o man paying the bacano or when you want to be the engido. And so ono yes ono no bo one. What's the day? A U2P or say nyama bebre. Yes, a U2P. China no okay there like I want to or the democracy not to change. Shin Jinping or someone na kra no sisa why am brave ma why na life president and why in life president see all man instructions are or ye juma nkasa onye wana be kede nzido na he ye di jama obi kra fi de jama akufa do na odo opam yarban moko
yes yes obi kra fi de sa na ya fa no
yes
so akufa do mpam ya ne ma ne nko because when the election year na ye wo mi yankopon ya dom na April ya rei every year so kwa waka che say akufa do kwa wanya kra mpo na me nto aba ma bisa akufa do na kofa ba ye ono oti wonu so wo tumi aka wasaka ne ma ne kokra dada because on person obeto aba ne tia no
yes Martin na ebinum embassy no was the passenger so called aflawo okay ebinum okay digwa wo lome no nye Lagos na de no sisa won to nko bio ye hwe na Mr. Fort na de odabala wo bu efu zinzinzin na akufa do abenti no yedam yereba na waso sinsen rim ondu asase do bekere won tasi but nanama mama pede on campaign on you dom where in there sikana wo vote for them virus ne nkwen no hono and the chunk of the money and the scanning actually other media houses
and when they
other all media houses because information ministry no won't to hear the major no or media houses no obotu abode wur mo biara tin ye because this time obiara te radio obiara hwe TV obiara online and a powder and a pa obiara fa no phone na online or share and some are kodo no way na inade and so with this no information ministry no or decentralize na or the GNA another other media houses na obiara nsabaka ni yehuma ye na say ya ye ndem de bakere radio TV another them print and media so one ankasa one fa one so small way one for more dey na no wa care there
yeah say abeka say me program e one eye me the me first work abio na say do me say na betumi akaye programs ni na presenters obia kabi na so obia kan say
abi radio station so on an enyum na no robot na
every crop no put no person obey you because see fear and panic then say na kwakoye e de ehu bi ni ade aba be hye ehu na so say yanka every crop say figures na about na accurate. But and we leave it to the health ministry, the Ministry of Information, and then they will deal with it. I believe that they can never lie to us.
No.
All the tragedy say no crana no make catch your name, Mashaye, and in your bed and your bay. And not to divert. Let us all be citizens and face the road through. In Yankasa and Macase, or Casa in the attempt. And then I'll ban your man penny coffee by you. And your man pinning a coffee to buy it, and now be a coffee to buy it, and a minister be a coffee to buy it. About best why I'm for free. And I make answer, be some main canisa, I mean canissing. I best why in the Abba Swayan, a humble in a sea, a book, in a who to me to you, answer. My uncle and come to church, and I have a 4 bin no mass or dear or moy and a pay me about Konama, I say, well, no. Young finding part 2, not a finding part 3. Well, and to the share COVID-19 by Kakra, I think late last year, 31st December, and China P. Honum, and on the 4th of I think March, and Mampini, and then Nsemsem Dwumadze what they by for COVID-19, and check, and then 2 cases, and I train about 195. Yan share GPRTU Association Water Credit has seen a day and a month free as a more year, and I said, Moko could do no resource near then etising.
And I'm a GPRTU as a Yama Bebrego Aquanum. And son, I was in Shishan Crabby Fin Canabano, and then he also yet news, and I share Morocco TV in the social media. And so now what's it painful to say, Ehudo Binabo Jatoma. But wasn't so I'm a Janetson about nature and terminal engines to the doom. And see, as a Yamapi Ego Aquanum, and son abandoned Shishano so all Baba Fido. What's the young answer? Young first seminar with running water. Running water in a billion way, then Veronica Bacatiana, Cecilia Obiara use. And Cecilia Quay stations in Nara, Obiazi, this was Cecilia. A seminar liquid soap or so na tissue papers so or so. She share for Fincan obeying the cars and especially minibuses now offer 3 young for 2. And then now I say Monche be on 2 years simple, by 2 years in 1 year way. And now open the young to him passengers na Yafanado. First now offer 4 in a row. This yafana 3 in a row. Ono obana damno. Nipa kuno ofido ye signa ye na yeze scanum kakrakra. Ye chegu line do. Line bia nipa kru film bia no. Ye chegu do yeze mohon. Sisi amwabe ye ntumi nche. Driver for one chiro hon. Kawunas one chiro hon. Na oye henasa sude order hina ye boa. Na matiti me ndo no kwar the amount of Funibi was the one scar, especially ministers and deputies, ebi no was 150% of their salary for 3 months. One farmer.
Penny ministers nibi.
Penny don't need their full salary 3 months. Was amma for Mame pedo biata saying the sisi amwabano. I'm the driver for on your car as we cry and one contribution is getting bigger than a man paying no in Asia for I've been some them. She had more car or run a schedule. Say Okoba or yeah, sales of 280 cities. And then the driver no quite beno for the first hour quite beno. Oko Monday no bind the dano. Obey sales of 100 cities. That means 180, almost 85% of my sales. Oko. And about 65%, yeah, about 65% of the sales, Oko. It is not more than deputy minister and the ministers was Yes. nti ka o
that
ne
is according to mu way na
ye yi na what is do no sika na o fi do no it's about 65-70% no fi sales no do yes because yan face can be anto do this time me ye fi no passenger ye fi mu yan fa person pa anto passengers and can wodo yes and the fuel no so yeto na na yeto one sodo already
the any say one was it I think on my car say first match and a competitive fuel the so there ni adaba for ni video je hwe ama ye je hwe de beka bia anya no kre
what sodo kakrebi I'm the 1 cedi per gallon
so it take effect
or take effect almost 1 cedi per gallon now 1 cedi per gallon yeah bibia on so enwa oh crap ama 1 cedi per gallon on so enwa
and so 1 cedi no mu free so
1 cedi no you free gallon do meanwhile say car offer 14 passengers nam fa dodge 35 cedis no do ko Accra for this is a lockdown see one ko na 25 cedis odo ko swedro na way nipa 7 efim nipa 5 right nipa 5 efim nipa 5 no hwe ya he nti them orokwa nipa 5 or by nipa 5 nti o lose 10 passengers which is 250 cedis 250 cedis no way film na lawyer 280 no way 250 nti drivers no wo scan na wonya na na ade na wa behye no mu passengers na way film no mu nti o ezima driver for papa o ezima driver na cowardice na mo ho hen po in there hen po yare ye bi ya sacrifice but spare parts are yet on oye free marketing economy na ye woman nti obi am open oton nze ebotum akọ hwe bia ade bia enye bi ebekwakoto na obi on more
spare party I think so last year omampeni be kan I think last year
no
omampeni be kan say momu to
what's the tax na wo yi fi do no na de one case baby
okay
wo yi but you cannot scale idea padi obi akota bedol button maybe akoto second hand engine Toyota for Toyota Hiace bibia anyiwa obutu with that measure them price of that because all second hand or use ebia when you 10 years ebia when you 5 years ebia when you them into nara more peno na duty oye wodo no on no behwe no that one into there wo bakede what so do my sister anyama na abofom mo gena na ogene na mo hu there spare part dealers na so I'm the one boy kakra yes one boy kakra se hon wo boy ya nkadam nyama na onbanam ebinu wo nyama no wo hode daw ebinu wo so wo tuam duty de daw wo ye nsi wo gun wo ton adado na osa wa to afoforo do no that film what the film dem want to one solo nti oil how be bread there cowness drivers will lose on daily revenues na part no any fuel ya to edi edwuma no still ojembo bia ojeno but then here dey mo able to ya biara
well ebusia anapede ya hwe no and say the GPRTU mpenifo no dia aboa COVID-19 efa na driver for na fem na fe passengers na oma fem ti opene enya no ha se no ne chairman de ma GPRTU eno western region ahase enti no safri ena wa join ya ha Nsemsem Dwumadze GSG TV ya de bro from 10 to 11 a.m. but then no ye che kakra fa che wate fa che so wa join you betumi e do comment na ade so e de aba e Facebook page no so no ye be reading no na ye de amount contribution there won't ase be fa na daba for na fem wo fo kai na be ni de na wo ye a wo say enkoye nipa 2 no omufa 3 ana ase de na office mpelifo eye ka de omuye no ho betumi aboa na nyina etumi fight COVID-19 no but before ye be kwa kwaje enkrato kakra ba na ma me read Facebook comment no ye kwa na je say aba abeto aso na na besa ji to say watching live from Accra and na way to kind of one kana birthday no Accra no kwa my all right. I'll say you make fresh queen. All right, thank you. Element Kwesi Asie do say queen of ideas TV. Please, your voice is low small. Mate, pacho me pejim. You see, I say come. I say I'm watching you live from Accra. All right, thanks for watching with us. And Loris that could also I join here one year airship. Nana Kwesi Minta, sorry minister. Also I join one year. Shall say Ghana for you. Ebe ye. Nyame ewo. What my yokoji and krato ya ba. Ebe to anko mo chichi ni so.
And Pobaso to desert, loafers, lippers na day. Said Pem works na that, Ebo Emmanuel into Blanket Kingsman Classic Shoes 1 for Facebook, and we put that here, a boom, a Pemi location, so I'm a Greek. Minome 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shoes 1.
All right, and you know yako yaba so Kingsman Classic Shoes. Or no say as here. Yedi jumedi wo ideas TV ne chogu nyina yedi ebro enche different companies wa be join you na say yako ye numu asante what honum na wo ye jumedi bia wudi so ye makeup artist hey we ye shoes we ye the opposite we ye bia opama de there we ye bia opposite we advertise we juma no so momodia na free lines no so na say message here we page no so e beba eni we be di nkomo prices na low cra ya ye di mo low cra na won so ta be advertise wo program e wo ye show you so na ye ni timi ade akonkan e wo dwumede bia ye di enti ne pacho ye hwe e fa na driver for na fam no ye hwe ne ma mo ye e di aboa wo mo nchechire ne ade se mo be enforce the law say mom obia emfa 4 passengers in a taxi and I say church car no supposed to be 3 omumfa 3 no mefa 2 no e wo seat bia so
yeah yeah driver for nakasa ahubrasim and hand drivers so where in Crawford they are law abiding members especially the loading branches loading terminals so equal every GPRTU terminal biara drivers would say more one painful worker and who the driver in biara afa more than my order of on the baby me sure the load station biara was say here stations in obiazeri ejuma oh yes obiazeri ejuma yeah this municipal assembly or ECMA no any metro assembly STMA yeah joint meeting yeah jetum there is a boa ma obiara ye cow ness ni bi kra na want us am what us there or your board yeah the boy ho na yeah ma yeah banon kaka because wa would drive na as a car na so no kwan here we send there yes say my friend there was for 2 or front na ka for 3 ni power ten won chere ni so obi wo ho and ni power ten in chere so obi wo no that can no the other council driver na was driver na also on life here is at risks and say ma wants water say me you work ya ka there wo sika na wo load we are wo training na no at least one team union also on sacrifice na momo on just them oje first no so one sacrifice and see if the GPRTU we are doing a lot for this COVID-19 pandemic we are doing a lot na yehu in the sikana orokono or it doesn't matter sikano here say yerba yeta sepa social media say I quainty and I pay me here it be no be or the send him the Italy is careful be bring coffee PB are the chin what to streets in there they don't need the money anymore scanner or one KB and K here for be or what we want more on another baby than why keep our boy now they don't need the money anymore what to what pity more and see scanners over here say more behind the hem no the yesterday rather there obama yankwa oda chehen na more the ye mo bia so no hoto no so no hoto nti driver from the wajatun na wetin asopam ya sana shem brede ma passenger bia opedo ho na adwuna na da bibi ho a nhihye da ma na road do no any there nearby police nse wa ka police wo jenjan kwem na ze nti nearby police station and police post biara wo feel the work wo go to reporting wa report am since I am on nhihye there more ma passenger bia enja car the alternate another or preach because yes yeah share the member no is am on
3 on a seat 2 on a seat and
yes yeah sana shembra on there when I want to do about system when I want to what preach or car lane as on na mukwemo original ho don't allow that.
Is it because of the president now ban this public
no, because yeah, but no say it's sometimes you know, he can say you can say no cry no. Bibi them small saliva no fear yo bia ebi obogo ni na account ni na account another bia drop car no seat na among for so bia drop odo ni na account nti ya brother mazina na fi so amanfo betan car ma ana bus ma ebia political argument na no yempe bio no so ya mo bia tase there no political argument in our buses mo bia yeah argument bia we buses driver bia so yeah in terms of stop microphone so we continue we yeah send all those send one because just to save nine passengers no or save na so no nti nhihye bia ede go ebi dem your kodi bia ka o ahwe match bia o ahwe ndado no man over can Real Madrid yes oh Mr. Football football
man na for betina hona afno Mr. discuss COVID-19 na abano wanya de crowd abano wanya de crowd
ni na no ya brain as the ya pedem as no nya car na ba be the argument no nti daminya me na na eje gu akoni ma kakrakra ya koyenyim foforo bia o be bia so ya ku de oboboa ama ejuma na akoranyim ana here passengers won waton no so yeboso neza ejuma
yan hwe se bia driver ni no ofumsa because church drivers here if I'm telling you the truth I say opa pipe anu a so mutumi gina wonu load ni ade bebre na enim aso me mo say wana me fa car free e de ba ejumem omuni mu ane so enra da driver ni ne de me se Nyankopon na wo so ne mu ena wo je no ena obi ne ni ntem me yedi me fo car no aka nipa ba ko na ya 3 we chire opefa nipa no ena passenger na o che front ne ka kire ne say na wo be ba ye kenyi na nte wo nte be hetem didie na ma yedi na me te car no mu na me bo mmodin a se anka driver be committee no ho na kwa fa ba ko na kana kama je ne number na me twa car number na je say ho na ma reporting yen hwe penalties amudi egu wono ade ama driver fo we nu mu a ombebu emma ade ama wo mu se wo mu di so no so
na ma America san me kada stations no ya zembra no ye adwuma ehu be bia kofo car wo pipe no ho GPRTU station bia yi wo nti ho na wo prapra kwem no ho na wa fo oti aso ya one co stations ya won crofo no won nam ebi asampa hotel de ba pipe no onye bia wa afa chede da won crofo no won shemre biara ase nti de bia na ebo amanfo nke de ye besra hon do be bia ta edi baba na ntu nkota kwa de na nkofo station one famba but ye wo takwa de car wo load wo takwa de orbe fiekuma na obi be send water no chrome ana pipe no nti etwen ehu dem microphone card na ba efo because every na or san na nipa krusan na bon de aka nipa ko no ten seat no do na akodwan nipa ko no ten seat no akata enchen
enti na ye he say sa driver fo ya wo kire me say omo no mo fo muti asoa and omo can name no mu ye bi ko omo nim e dey na ye for omo and omo no because they are not coming to the station so they are not
yeah yen bebre but mama can show the this metro and municipal assemblies in our one walk rumpo.
Really?
Oh, I can't. What's a hey manka? Warrior mobile tune. Near them. You have to enforce the law on them.
Because a pipe and way, what can they call and what they call Tadisco or my a taxi rank or honor. I am very disturbing and I pass a wood you can cabin knock you down with CCR. And was a would do pipe and all call Ufa Pentecost, sorry no one, and also corner any more on Missa or my taxi. I don't put the corner workers first with Jan. First on Mujina Quine and one. Many Ekma, but that's a radio station be one and a year Juma. Many Ekma PRO Edding Como, and I be I like ye, and tis a driver for Mosio tempera, and so I'm 12 young more, and a most of the same microphone you use to a war. Cape Coast Station 1 year, the only be a quack with one of my boom, TTU town. As you see, and who cannot driving Nasa Woba, Nasa when the line is into quite be see or no money empty the way, and now me a Sankamania empty the commander Nanka on Sabe joining. And to come when you are more elcom, and Yasam Ketu, I say, there are more permitted on they should stay. So, Carol, as I'm talking to you, that place has become a taxi rank.
Yes. Yes. This is America. Me in America. Sunday before ever rank or be a place, you know, like the American headquarters this go down. Why I lay by? Actually, say car be fee, town or bar. That's what we be sent when I lay by, no, or your friend the bus stop, no. You just drop and either pick and move. But she said what I taxi rank. Almost. Getting to the traffic light, you know, will be a man. Na traffic lights of green a wall, but no will try you which is wrong.
Most times, I say, me check quite no more. Taxi driver, and I said, Toto, you know, say, I didn't so green. Internet said me corner or pursue one green, you more crying funny pa.
Martin. Meanwhile, police will be on traffic, over the traffic.
I post for a pipe and I said them, Misha die who were more papa dear. But initially, no much in a one.
Walk at some, basically, I'm daughter to Brazil and Chen. No, what's no. Walk at some, walk out to tomorrow. And I was also walk out to two Brazil. No, we are walk at you one a walk. These are some of the things I have been doing. We have to join hands. Until this time around, you know, national elections in Ankasano, Wakwetri Kakra, Pedamoko, ye tried the revive GPRTU police and a guts in a yakano.
Nah, bandits are empty for no more yet.
Oh, two, anyone yejuma, or but a hen, yemma hen drivers, no discipline measures out of the woods, though. Baby in the wagina. And the drivers will be a while. I want what's the one pedal with them, brother? No, they will check them. All the over to market, freedom of association. I mean, you association, but yes, no. When the power is given to us, we can deal with them.
So why have we sat now all this while here? And near my nothing, I ever be pity and baby.
Oh, baby, sir. No, what the door. And on a political change of hands, everybody is the some look at the hand democracy, no, on your boy because say share encano and first now basically the memory discipline and anchor sister break on to me ejuma.
Now a breaking is a rubber phone and a breaking
and the entire society. First, that car cross obi a cut to that from meeting brother. Now, who the pain about sir. This time, don't to them.
Send the bill,
can watch your
team. Now, me quatakwa. And I a car phone. Woman is supposed to sit at where gates in a one. When you catch me, I mean, sorry, dear. Me, more no mamma to be a mimitino. Na me mamma tina gate nano, na me mujamono. So, ma reply no, but in my head I say ukwa na ufiso ye moja dada no kwa usuro so ese
aha no ne kasa na wan kan ye
and sometimes I am kwala na ye bia ye emu ade but I am penifo ni bi so reaction no because penny be hu say me gate on ka say we akola nti ko inside na mintina gate na obeka che say onu kwa be professor obeko inside na watena gate na no
yeah ne kasa na wan kan ye de mojamun no ohwego oba bibi o nti make a way breaker them not say the main no ho a and some nyema bebre no do botwa because police family and institution akasa no who there will lack staffs because in car every community be no police order ho no eko baby eko enzima baby na ina da a whole community na police station nipa be 2 pen wo yedwuma nipa be 2 vicinity bi wo ho police for wo yedwuma ho no wo so nti ihe ne ye nkrofo ho a nya ba na otu onka wo ihe ne etu onka wo otu yetu wo ya nwoka wo nti nke wonje ban bibiri kwachiwa wo tu wa direct and ye ndodo another bibi dem
and see an ekman estie me di mpa no o mpese o mo kire mu wo hwe o mo ne o mo ye den mpa no mpese o mo kire mu
hon gat no osa ana hon gat no so no o de wonya more na wo train one wonya idea nde ejuma wo be yin
are they even active omo ya active wo kwan so
on to America de wo train one more no wonya idea de ejuma wo ba be yin
ye nya hu so green for na efisi omo come market circle
yeah
because ye hu so green for so omo megina kwan na no say omo come market circle nti nya hu na efisi omo ye ejuma but as to say omo megina kwan ne so and monitor cars movements passengers movements ni ade ne de say oma ko leave kakra
wo ye ejuma wo said oye metro guards in the oye or there but then they kwa akra so akra no ehu de akra wo ye ejuma ye
well enti no Mr. say me say you find say ye nsusu an say lockdown emra takra de na say western region na say any of the regions you find say bi be so ya e de mpa na GPRTU my de agu akwemu a se metumi aso ano ama driver for no there was so omo ye passengers no there was say omo ye any ade
ona na yare what's the prevention is better than cure
on say lockdown we are cried any Kumasi dey to some certain point you can't move car and fan and cause where areas now affect omo to me move car and fan ko ho no any ade enti na ye bi say be won waka oh na me ko ha na bia time nti ana especially taxi drivers time nti ana say nti na bi wafa double
the more kwan is there more kwan and share ya there at least cargo trucks on the one more ye juma wo waka ka fa foster so fi e bi atachi man Kumasi na aje wo aba hen bi sa fo na wo gomu na order on so the social distancing no was ye juma what the ine ba obi anyim ne yama oba we be yi o de go ezibanen to no or there ye ma time da ho e bia anapa tututu bia 7 o'clock wotu ahafo anajefo wonkezi wogwa won sambra wo be 11 na efie kuma fo wonkezi wogwa won sambra damen shishare den so wo ya I think the over boy hen ama say me find the efie kuma taxis worry ejuma at this time between 6 and 10 on the fake one taxi we are lockdown work there kwesimintin for work aketigwa between 12 and 11 and 2 that time you have to see only vehicles applying that route and so with this I believe that and also minimize a cars no a domina obi abakara beso wajaja be mkoto bi mo de koto bi no obutu wa schedule wa chair ama community bi awenya yes yeah the ma me feel the oboboa
all right and you know my yanko commercial break in brown tie ba ye be take your final words ni ade makase ha no se bibi chi wadwen a obetumi de aba enti na from pinfo betina fi ase no obetumi e de aba se contributions no pese we yeso so a obetumi e de aba wo de ba ye be read ni nyina de am enti ne enkoje enkrato tiawa ye ba ye beto ankomo ni so.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idin we aye mpobwa. Mpobwa sort ye desert, loafers, slippers na de. Say pemu works na da ebo Emmanuel yo into bracket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ibun e pemi location so me wa agrek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Ebusia emo akwaba bi me sign de ba ideas creative aha say ni nsem aha say ni baby ansem a wo metropolis ni mu no eni western region na ne Ghana nyina no ye keka ne nyina wo ha se ne baby ne betumi ya ye na ya hwe ye hu ye why na hu hia ma Ghana aban meka say o mampenu anfa coronavirus anko a edu election amento ma wonim dia wo ka why wonim e dia wo ka enti misansa me say baby na join ye but ye baby ye be hwe wo mu nyina Philip Kwesi wa join ye na me sure Daniel Okran ono so a join ye Samuel Ishraba Mensa wa join ye live on Facebook on ye hwe Roxanne K Asante on ye hwe Sami Jima my father ono so woni hwe Ramsey Kofi enso ni hwe Jay-Z woni hwe Philip Kwesi so woni hwe Samba Adamu o say good afternoon good morning Samba good morning why nyanya afternoon to go mami good morning timisa say hwe to say baby to say in tankofo ne sa small joint taxi stations near the no so hwe safety measures are mudi kuku akwemu de ama wo money ade. How are you ensuring that sankofo we no so no they adhering to mudi ama wo mu?
Yeah, I'm paying for the abandoned the ba ozin kan besi na nkrofo osisi na name wo mensi biamu like the metro chief executive na nkrofo, the municipal chief executive na nkrofo, the district assemblies na nkrofo, na wa frɛ your transport department of every district assembly and metro or municipal na wa frɛ mpanyinfo no na wɔyɛ kumo Nigeria Monday na kasa no all secondary takrade branches in Ayekeshia. And now I'm the Tuesday that later in the day no and now offer on tank of phone on ye could you chrome zoko in Azina so okay share. And it is up to the police to enforce the law. All them what I won't quano, she will be no catch of the tenacity.
Sana ya babe.
What I won't quano, she will be poach out there. Me pede tenacity and sana what I won't quano we here. Na police for no other one so wash it because sisi ano only the urban there them quote and unquote my been working there 111 season one train san kakra na wash it amanfo ho yezi na wo hu de obiara wa for 2 3 them am sano on nko offer 2 as taxi another trotro we numa perfect ehu de ebi abrodo pe na ino a park driver no amma ehu na passengers na wo no no am wo send form na watch driver na obotu wo de oh passengers na so wakede oh no kofo car na se nipa no doors na ahwe a wo be home mana wo be sam am the one from nko ebi driver na otu wa park na be 2-3 hours cry ewa park by 2-3 hours enye bio nti police for no do won so wo papa nti ntankofo na ina de wona won penfo ya wona akasa a wo de do pepe nti baby arokodo.
Okay, so yeah sorry so anisa nti ma nya final words na ade then going forward no there ye hwe animu
final word in the ekunu ye obia no ku onye nipa ko onye GPRTU fo ho na yi oya me na wo na ahia no ku passenger driver car owner farmer abade obia no ku nti wo me yembo ya ho na yenko enanyim because ade no oba na so oboso he na odu bi kra no so quarantine wa okun woba wonia wanker o mama o papa also maybe was obi agwo ebi so you have adopted to the microphone na tembiara so on ben wa intumi so ya za o ya tete bebre and I work in shedem there my India for warrior there poya wotumo bro ben na azuna obi nti o ye hin na hin no ku o de ebom ne ku wo me bi sem ye ne ntase ye ye ya bibia be fine.
All right. And you know, Ebusia, Mr. Benjamin Christiansa, one GPRTU chairman Takrade, one there's a bibia fire driver for now from media. And I say, Obusuka chairman say, no, we took Cape Coast, or do Cape Coast station one. Oh, now what to take and term fine, say BBI fine team. I think say big ups to the GPRTU team no more Western region has no more Bojuma. No Ekmani STA, me send a penny in the chair, Miss Ramon Pejamu why. Na munya baako ni ntumi fight that time we put the na come expecting say mo be pagya mo more na kama ye adwuma no more because we share the Ministry of Information, Health Ministry, Ghana Health Service, any other stakeholders na say no mo see ye adwuma this COVID-19 season. I'm even surprised. I never knew say they can be, they are active, but omutumi are more active, but they are doing well. They are really doing well. Trauma penny Socratic because want to me and then end no home. Entine Mr. GPR STM ECMA any municipal executives MPs and the moon come from na yamba. Na many won't so ye niso. Na be to me and fa and my
na ma for creation. I'm the STM no nye ECMA chief executive wo bo adwuma papa.
Okay.
Na am the hona ye adwuma okwo.
Onye
gat no.
Omuna ye ka o
masem. Yes, wo bo adwuma papa na gat no.
Omuna ye ka o masem.
Enti mabo na bado. There yo. Or
and Samba Adamo was say it's good afternoon here in Paris. Oh, okay. You're watching us live from Paris. Let me say munya COVID nibion. So munya be na mbo mo ba nti wo so bo mo ba ma me wate. Na tell me wetin me share ideas TV. Your program sini nyina Philip Tin. Wo so ni ehwe nyame insure bebre. Samba was say very good initiative by GPRTU. Big ups to you guys. Nti no omo ye adwuma. Enti enso yenye yeso ya femu de sika woman showbiz buzz lady na obetena so odin kokonse nyina de bre wo no ha ono so ajoin ya woni hwe na kwame minister woni hwe Kofi Atinka in advance. Happy birthday in advance. Also woni hwe nyame show aha ideas TV your program say yo has in a website exclusive entertainment show 3B and then showbiz bars nini na beba wakwem and then Wednesday, right? And then exclusive entertainment show west side Kojo freestyle oba betina hono no ni artist no edidi and community we artist you want to come on the show momodi ana contact Kojo freestyle and I say okoye page one na ideas GTV page one na obenya ye na che say wait to me any ababe program ne kama ewo ahase and then on Thursday meet Sika Woman showbiz buzz Accra no overtinas no kokonsan kwa ewo industry ni mu no ye de wode ebra went ono so meeting no mo meeting na de bibia ye de abro kama na yankopon ya doma me so ochina me so me de atwegu ewo oman ni mu ene isem birthday isem de na ekọ ma yehu how far ma yehu Morocco do se champagne na ma yehu na chede bibia tumi aye fine Kelvin boy ene wa wo danya mi hira mu nyina no ntum nkwem na COVID-19 yembo ye ho ban isem se wo fans bebre but and the party from nko a why na ye party enfo bi anka Kelvin boy also sa from nko a na ye party me enfo bi anfa anka ho because ye bo ye ho ban no social gathering bia so what ye say enti no senior maka no follow your programs ni nyina na weni entumi enti so pese we advertising so bomodin na frey but e be o community no problem bi wo ho no pese ye nyina ye hu na emra mbetwa na ye mfrem pinifo no mo konkoso fa ma wa bomodin na frey me on 0550510712 0550510712 and frame anajo mpacho frame me let us all talk business, let's all mean business. Why nyami sha we say wetie na waye ne sa me MCL CEO back pe mataya still for damwa wono ena wogina fidi nature odandan bibia na bra said went to me ambanti no abrante tuntum bi ena wogina mu de ma no a o ma hwe se bibia to me abanyami sha bibia so se wo join live on Facebook nyami sha mu nyina na yakopon do mo china be se sinkonya ne ni mpinifo atwetwenko medi e de nana ama buedi wa makra woni na